You like doing things yourself? You got a messy garage that you want to tame? You've come to the right place. I'm going to show you what we did. Hey, good morning. I wasn't going to film this, but I thought it's going to be decided to make an organizer out of storage bins. I know that there's a lot of them out there, and I haven't really watched any videos, but I've seen a couple pictures of things. And I'm gonna put here, it was 9 foot high. I'm gonna go three wide lengthwise and stack them up. I'm not real proud of it because, you know, the shop's a mess. I mean, this has all been dug out though, but project after project after project on top of project on top of project, things starting to lose place, right? So, and again, I don't even know if I'm gonna even, but I just want to get some of this stuff recorded. Basically, I bought some 2x4s. Right, we're gonna do some stuff. This is what I'm talking about. We're gonna make a storage compartment with these yellow containers. And we'll see. All right. One other thing I want to show you. I need, on this project, we need 8 uprights. They need to be 99 foot, all right? So 109 inches, or not 109, but yeah. We want to cut them all at once. So let's take something and flatten the edge. I'm using a level here. Get them all even here. All right. I have these all straight here. All even here. Alright. Alright, we're gonna mark a line here. Need to come out here. It needs to be 9 foot. Do our crow's foot. Alright, we're gonna come over here. Go another line. Once we have them done, we're going to lay a level on there. We have all 8 of our 2x4s marked with a line. We're going to cut them right here. All right. You notice if we measure one in the middle, it's at 9 foot also. It sure does save a lot more time than laying each one out individually. Okay, basically how we want these shelves laid out is we want them every 16 inches. All right, every 16 inches. So we could just come to 16 here, but what I want to do here is that I want to put a 2x4 kick plate on here. So the first one needs to be a 19 and a half, right? All right, the next one we need to probably do the calculations because it needs to be 32 plus 3 and a half. So we can do that. We can just go 32, 1, 2, 3, all right, 35 and a half, right? Draw an eagle. So, all right, 35 and a half. 19 and a half. All right. Keep going on down the list. I'll go down the list and I'll mark the rest of these. I'll go every 16 inches and we'll lay it out so we can nail our cross pieces. We'll have to cut our cross pieces, but then we can nail them on there. Okay, we have these all laid out. I don't know with the sun, see them? The X is on the bottom of the line. 4 of these have to be marked on both sides. So we're going to take the 4 in the middle and roll them over and even them up on the other end. So we shouldn't have to use the tape again. All right, I got them even. The middle ones are flipped. Even at the bottom. So basically then we'll just connect these 2 lines. We'll draw a line here. And you know, if we were building a cabinet, we need to get a little more accurate, but these boards ain't that accurate. I mean, we're close enough. We will be, trust me. Okay, our uprights are all marked up. Now we gotta figure out our cross pieces. I think I'm gonna make this 20 inches wide. Well, let me see here. Let's do a little calculation here. Got room for 24 inch. So if we go, that's 19. 20 inches. I think 20 inches is wide enough. It'll give us more room back there. Otherwise, it's just a waste. So we're going to go 20 inches wide, and we will need lots of them. Cross pieces, 36 of them. So I might set up cut off. All right, I got this all set up here to cut 32 of these. If you haven't noticed by now, I'm a sticker for jigs because they make things so much easier. So if you got more than, actually, if I got a half dozen of one, sometimes I'll cut up the jig because I know I can get everyone the same or close to it. Basically, I took the cutoff saw and just anchored to the wood we were working on. I'll just back the screws out. Anchored it here. The scrap 2x4s we cut off, I just screwed them down. Quick jig here to cut 32 of these. So, all right, we got them. 32 of them cut. 32 of them have been cut. We'll tear this down. I need the cross pieces at 95 1/4. I know. All right, we're gonna start putting this together. There's no real easy way to make it square. We're gonna put it as close to the line as possible, and it'll have to be pushed into place, so it won't be that far out. And we'll be able to twist it a little bit. But even if it was square, it would still have to be pushed into place because the wall may not be straight or whatever. So let me get these all on there. And this is one of the outsides. I'm hoping I have enough screws. All right, there's one of the end pieces, one of the uprights for the end. So I don't think I'm gonna have enough screws. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna do another end one. Hopefully I can get them. I don't know. We'll see. Never have the right stuff. But Menards loves me. All right, got one of the middle pieces all screwed together. I'm definitely probably gonna run out of screws. Hopefully I can get through the next one, and then it's just a few more I need. So all right, got the last middle piece done. All right, I have enough screws. I think I had enough to do this, so hopefully we have enough to get the frame together. I don't really want to run the Menards if I don't have to, but all right, these are set into place except for the last end cap. I'm gonna go and cut the 95 1/4 and lay them out. That way I can screw them in from the ends, and then we'll check before we nail it all or screw it all together. So anyhow, let me get that cut and laid out, and I'll bring you back and show you how I laid it out. All right, I'm glad I double checked because my math was wrong. Always double check. I went ahead, it was 93 3/4, that I needed to cut it off at. These uprights will be right here on the X's and on the ends. So let's get that screwed into place and fit it. All right. Got these in place. I ran out of screws. I thought I was gonna have enough, but well, I've been saying this whole video I ain't gonna have enough. But I put the tub in there, and of course there'll be tubs up and down here. So it'll be, and I'll label them. I'll put the stuff that I hardly use at the top, but it'll be good. Alright, once Menards got some more screws, finished putting this together. So I got the tubs. I'm gonna put the lids on the tubs and bring them and put them back, put them in place here, and take a picture of it. Then I gotta get busy filling them up. Alright, all the tubs are in. All the tubs. Right here. 18. That should hold quite a bit of stuff. It looks a heck of a lot cleaner. Just wait, that's just the start. Because there's a lot of trinkets and stuff I don't want to throw away. Repairing stuff all the time, you'll understand. You want them little things on your shelf. From days gone by, they just help. So, anyhow, I hope this inspired somebody. If not, maybe you had a chuckle. I don't know. So, until next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. There's still obviously a lot of work that still needs to be done here. But I wanted to bring you guys back in here. This is a storage system. There's still a lot of empties there. I'm just getting through. I still got this stuff on the bench to go in there. But the overall look of the whole shop is so much cleaner. And it's all because of them storage bins. I mean, because project after project after project gets dumped on things. And it's just like, I mean, a project bucket, for example. I get done with a project, it goes in a bucket. It comes in the garage. And if I don't have a place for it, now I got a place for it. So, alright. Anyhow, I just wanted to bring you back in there. And if we pull this ladder away, let's see. There it is. The wall of stuff. And I have stuff going in these. So, yeah. Nice. Subscribe. Thanks.